Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making oil-free hummus with a twist. I got this recipe from High Carb Hannah, who has some great whole food plant-based recipes, and I will put her information in the description box, and you should definitely check her out and follow her. But this hummus is so simple and easy. We do it all in the Vitamix. It's just going to take a few minutes and you will have this delicious, fluffy, yummy hummus. So let's get started. The key to this recipe is Aquafaba, and if you don't know what that is the juice that is in the can of the chickpeas. So you're going to drain your chickpeas, your garbanzo beans, and you're going to save a half a cup, and you're going to put that in the recipe, and this is what gives it that fluffy consistency. So in my Vitamix I have 1 can of garbanzo beans, which I drained. And then I've got my half a cup of my Aquafaba. I've got 2 cloves of garlic. You can do anywhere from 1 to 3 depending on how much you love garlic. Juice of 1 lemon. And for the spices we have a half a teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon each of smoked paprika and cumin. And then we have 3 tablespoons of tahini. We'll add the tahini. The other key to this recipe is you need to blend it for a full 2 minutes. That's very important. You'll get that really smooth, fluffy consistency. So I'm going to pop this on the Vitamix and I'll see you back in 2 minutes. So we're back after 2 minutes of blending in the Vitamix, and it just comes out, I don't know if you can see, so creamy and fluffy. Let's give this a taste. I paired it with some bell peppers. You can do cucumbers, crackers, whatever you'd like. I'm gonna try a bell pepper here, a red one. It is just perfect. The blend of spices, the garlic. Really delicious, and this is definitely a crowd pleaser. So give this one a try. It's good for you, it's good for the animals, and it's good for the planet. And remember, what you put on your plate determines your fate. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Until next time, thank you.